Hello everyone, this is Care. In the previous videos, we introduced some meme materials and their usage. Today, I bring you a set of popular cute cat meme materials that have taken the internet by storm. And I'm gonna show you how to quickly use them to create videos, and we'll also share many practical meme materials for free. All you need to do is to follow steps in the video, and you will achieve the process with ease. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. First, let's open VideoProc. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find the link to free download in the description box down below. Let's start by importing the prepared cat meme materials into VideoProc. You can find a link to download the materials in the description box. Here, I will first demonstrate a simple usage. For example, I want to create a video of a conversation between a couple. First, find a background material that suits a scene. I recommend downloading and using the materials from this website. There are many scene materials available on this website, and since it is a Japanese website, the art style may have a slight Japanese influence, which actually complements the cat materials. The website offers a wide range of scenes covering the majority of daily life scenarios, with different time periods available for each material. Click here to download. Once the materials are ready, we can select the cat materials we want to use. Here, I want to create a video of a conversation between two people, so I will use these two cat conversation materials. First, we put the cat's material on the main track. Then right-click and select Detach Audio. After that, move the material to the overlay track. Then, find green screen in the inspector on the right. Click here, and the green is keyed out. Then put the background material on the main track. Alright, now doesn't it feel like it's coming together? Next, we just need to add subtitles when the cats are speaking. Click here to create a new text layer, and enter the text you need. Adjust the font and size as needed. If you want a font with an outline, click here and use the text preset. By default, it has a black background with a yellow border. Click here to change it to a white background with a black border. After that, modify the text content here. Place it in the appropriate position. And adjust the duration based on the length of the cat's speech. This way, the first text is complete. Next, right-click to copy the first text, or you can use the shortcut keys Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Then modify the text content. Adjust the position and duration. Let me quickly demonstrate. Alright, let's play to see the effect. Well, a basic cat meme video is now complete. If you want to make the materials move, for example like this, well, the process is very simple. Just like before, we place the materials on the overlay track. Align the height. Remove the green color. and then click on Motion. Click here to create a keyframe. Then restore the display area to its original size. Move this window while observing the position of the material on the right side. For instance, if we want the material to move from left to right, we need to move the window to the left. Then, move the playhead to the end position of the motion. For example, if we want the materials to move for 3 seconds, add a keyframe at the 3-second mark, and then move the window to the right. Finally, add another keyframe at the end position. Let's play it to see. Well, isn't it simple? Once you master this technique, you can easily create a simple cat meme video. Additionally, I have organized some materials that you can download for free. You can find a link in the description box down below. And remember to try it for yourself. Well, that's it for today's video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow this channel to receive updates on new videos promptly. If you want to know more about other tricks, you can find and watch them on the channel's main page. And we'll see you soon in the next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!